right, let's talk about Coty this morning after the beauty and cosmetics company said it is on track to double its skincare sales to between $500 million and $600 million by fiscal 2025. Coty has also seen stronger beauty demand, leading the company to raise its first quarter sales growth outlook. It says that was fueled by both prestige and consumer beauty. Now, in this sort of in-between time that we're in right now, waiting for earnings season to begin, we've had a lot of companies that are holding investor days. Yeah. So that's where this Coty news is coming from. What's also remarkable, we have seen such strength in beauty at this period of time, right?
Yes, absolutely. This is the little luxuries that I love to talk about when there are times of a pullback in some of that consumer confidence or even in the discretionary spending. Consumers will look to the cup of coffee. They'll look to some of the cosmetics brands to feel that sense of your dollar going farther than it is in some other categories. And so, and having that immediate gratification as well. And so in some of the plans, it's going to be interesting to see how much of that is front loaded in this interim period of time as households are just looking across their spending or individuals looking across their spending. But in part of these details, they're looking to achieve skincare sales of $500 million to $600 million, that by fiscal year 2025. And they're going to accelerate growth in fiscal year 26 and beyond as well. They're also going to have some new launches for their key skincare brands and also raising some of their revenue and gross margin guidance. And so all of that kind of playing out within this broader investor announcement and investor event taking place here today too.
Yeah, and we should mention when you talk about its brands, CoverGirl, Max Factor, some like core drug store brands, but then they also have some higher end brands as well. Right. So sort of taking advantage potentially of that whole gamut of different price points. And the company has raised prices a couple of times this year and already has said it plans to raise prices digitally going into 2023. So all of that perhaps helping the numbers as well.